All bloody talk and no action. That's how I would describe my ability to grow vegetables and to be self-sufficient and to supply food for my family. Bloody hopeless. So I've decided to take a little bit more action. In this small fenced-off area, I'm growing watermelons, butternut pumpkins, cucumbers, zucchinis. I've already got a couple of early zucchinis that I put in near the wire cage there, but they had a really sad start and didn't do, and I thought they were dying. I thought they'd gone. And then I went over one day and had a look and actually had fruit on them. So they've got a good start, but I'm going to get these other vines in, and it's a vine area, and I think the leaves and that, the creepers will spread out over the grass and keep it under control. That's what I'm hoping, that's the plan. I've got a severe case of wombats up here, and the fence is not really wombat proof, so I'm just going to have to see what happens, but I'll let you know how it goes, and I'm optimistic. One of the joys of gardening, and the great joy I've got today is I've got a little helper who's taking a great interest in gardening, and he's going to come and help me plant the plants out and water the plants and all that sort of stuff. But spending a day in the garden with a little fella who wants to learn and wants to help is so rewarding for me. Anyway, this is my garden. The price of a seedlings was frightening, very frightening. No more frightening than the price of the vegetables when you buy them at the shops. If you want to eat good, healthy food grown yourself, you do have to pay a little bit of money. That's my attitude here. Of course, if I was really organised, I could grow the vegetables from seeds. I seem to fail at that. I don't seem to have a dedication to raise seeds properly to put out into a garden. And anyway, I get these ones who've already got a head start, so as long as they don't get consumed by the wombats and the bowerbirds, we should be alright. Here comes my little helper. He's so keen, he's so enthusiastic. You've got to be a little bit careful. It's not a hot day today, there's no snakes about, but you would have to be careful of all those sorts of things when you've got a little bloke. Trying to teach him how to grow food, how to be optimistic, how to get the good things out of life, the good value things in life. He's got a tablet and he spends a bit of time watching that, but now he's learning new skills like growing the garden with the old bloke. That's a good day. Yeah, he died because he was the weed. No, because look, I put all the dirt and we have the fence around to keep the wombats out. Okay? There, you put him in like that. You want to put the dirt around him? No, you can. He is planted. Okay, now don't walk on him. Look over, we can plant another one over here. Walk where Daddy walks. No, I have one there already. This one here does not have one. We can plant him here. Look here, see? Yeah, two in a red hole already, see? Come here, look at how, look at that. Oh, now if I make the hole, can you put him in? Have a look. Okay. And then he will grow into a big one like that. See that big one? He will grow big like that. Okay, come and get the hose now. Okay, you come with me. Careful for the lizard. Okay, water time. You want to come in? to water?
Yeah.
You do this next one. You walk up to the next one. Up there. No. Yeah, okay. This one. Okay, next one. Yeah, this one. You plant them. You have one over here. This one? Yeah. Yeah.
What's the fun?
That one is the golden nugget pumpkin. Put the down in his root, down near the bottom of him, where he go into the ground. Down here. See down the bottom? See down here? Where he go in the ground? See a lot of water. Yeah, okay. Good boy. And now one. Oh, it's too short. Now I have to squirt. Next one. Can you do the next one? Yeah, done him before. He done already. This one over here. This one. Yeah, look, so it's too short. But there you go. Come behind, Daddy. Come behind. You can do it? Are you bossy? It's too short. No. Can you see it? Very good. Let Mummy put the camera on. You put a cup of tea. Okay. This is one there. Well, only time will tell how this garden grows, how much produce I get off it, whether the wombats come and destroy it overnight, whether the hens get in and dig them all out, and all the other things that you can't even predict. Stay tuned to this channel and see how it grows, see if I can grow some food, and see if I can better provide food for my family off-grid up on the mountaintop. Cheers guys, have a good one wherever you are.